Oracle just delivered more in a single monthly update than most vendors managed to release in an entire year. It's May 2026, and you're watching your personal Siebel CRM update, brought to you by the Siebel Hub, your #1 resource for always up-to-date Siebel CRM training. Siebel CRM 26.5 is a treasure trove of new features and enhancements, and one of those releases where things are just clicking together. Let's start with a list of noteworthy additions and removals in the May 2026 release of Oracle's flagship CRM. In-browser instant preview is now available for attachments, along with the ability to download multiple attachments with a single click. The industry REST API family has a new member, Siebel eConfigurator. Fresh from the Digital Business Experience Factory, on-prem Siebel gets a Customer 360 dashboard. Processing bundle promotions is accepted with the help of caching. Security posture improves with custom HTTP response headers. We bid farewell to SAP IDOC and BAPI wizards. And we say hello to a fresh Tomcat version, 10.1.52. Saving file-based attachments in Siebel CRM must be one of the most ancient features, and over the years a few attempts were made to improve the user experience when it comes to quickly reviewing the content of an attachment. End users have long asked for a quick preview without the need to download, locate, and open a file. With Siebel 26.5, Oracle has added that exact capability. Users can now preview many prominent file formats such as PDF inside the Siebel web application. Besides PDF, supported formats include audio, video, text, and image files. Downloading multiple attachments at once was also high on the wish list. With Siebel CRM 26.5 and higher, users can now multi-select attachments and, with one fell mouse click, download them all in a single zip archive. The Siebel REST API is a veritable success story. Since its first appearance 10 years ago in Siebel IP16, it's become the integration technology of choice for integration teams around the world. Oracle has started compiling so-called industry REST APIs in the early 2020s, starting with Clinical Trial Management API and quickly moving into telco, product, and pricing terrain. One of the most complicated integrations is to process product definitions through the Siebel Product Configurator logic engine without accessing the user interface. This endeavor is now much alleviated through the availability of the Siebel eConfigurator REST API, which is built upon reliable business services. Almost 1 year ago, Oracle shipped task-based user interfaces for managing orders for new and existing customers. The interesting part was that Oracle chose Oracle Jet web components to render the user interface, which means that Oracle Jet is shipped with Siebel CRM since last year and is loaded alongside the Redwood theme. In January 2026, Siebel 26.1 was released with the official web component framework, enhancing the Siebel front-end developer experience. Now, with Siebel 26.5, all these parts click together in what Oracle refers to as unified UX. Combine Oracle Jet or any other web component library, Siebel Redwood theme, and the OpenUI web component framework, and you're free to develop radically novel approaches for modern user experiences, far beyond forms and lists. The Customer 360 dashboard, passed down from Oracle Digital Business Experience, is a fitting example for using this powerful combination to craft a unique user experience. Building on the solid foundation of the Siebel Logical UI, screens, views, and applets, the dashboard view is the starting point for many processes around customer order management and customer service. It stands exemplary for renewing the user experience while keeping the established and proven Siebel foundation, including customizations. Run the repository update and you get a dozen new views that cover the bespoke processes, even integrating with the aforementioned Task UI. In other news related to Siebel product administration, bundle promotion definitions can now be cached in the Siebel file system, allowing for much better performance when processing complex promotion structures in the UI, workflows, or via REST interfaces. Keeping up with modern security standards, driven by industry giants such as Google, is not an option, it's a requirement. To allow better and faster alignments of Siebel's CRM security posture, administrators can now define custom HTTP response headers, which the external Tomcat emits to clients such as the browser or REST or SOAP clients. This is made possible by a new Oracle-provided Tomcat filter class, Generic Headers Filter. With Siebel 26.5 and higher, Oracle provides a sample section in the Tomcat's web.xml file showing how to use this new filter class. Now we go back in time again to the early 2000s when Siebel application teams began to integrate with ERP giants like Oracle E-Business Suite and SAP. The protocol of the day for SAP was IDOC, along with the Business API or BAPI, and Siebel Tools famously was equipped with integration object wizards to accommodate not only SAP object structures, but also Oracle E-Business Suite. 25 years later, IDOC and BAPI are still supported, but SAP has long deprecated them, ushering customers to use newer products such as REST. With Siebel 26.5 and higher, Oracle hits the off switch on the integration object wizards for SAP IDOC and SAP BAPI. Do you feel a bit overwhelmed by all the new features that Oracle added over the past 12 months? Don't worry. The Siebel Hub got you covered with our unique Siebel 26 Booster Pack. 18 hours of solid video training to get you up to speed and ready for Siebel 26. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Go Siebel.